First, the heart of a good schnitzel is the mixture of spices and breadcrumbs. I prefer a combination of fresh parsley, paprika, and a variety of aromatic herbs. This mix will give your schnitzel that special touch everyone will love. Next, we will prepare the liquid mixture. We need to beat some eggs with a bit of milk and a splash of fresh lemon juice. Don't forget to add salt and pepper to taste. This will enhance the flavor of the meat. The next step is crucial, breading the meat. First, we coat the meat in the spice mixture, making sure it's well covered. Then, we dip the meat into the egg mixture. This trick is essential, as it allows the flavor of the spices to penetrate better into the meat, rather than staying just on the breadcrumbs. After the egg, we coat the meat with breadcrumbs, covering it completely. Here's a tip that will make a difference: lightly moisten the breadcrumbs with a bit of oil before breading. This will help achieve a crispier and golden coating when cooking. Finally, we cook the schnitzel in a hot pan with oil until it's golden and crispy on both sides.